Are you done? Okay, go ahead. Senator Cayetano is recognized.
So, Chair, I have a few questions for Police Superintendent Abute. Then I have some questions for Chief PNP and for some of the other PNP officials. Sir, relatively ba mas safe? Relatively, hindi ko sinasabing pinaka-safe or walang crime sa Davao. But relatively ba mas safe ang Davao the last few years kaso sa ibang major cities around the country?
Yes, Your Honor.
Ang dahilan ba nito ay pinapatay ang mga kriminal kahit na hindi sila lumalaban?
No, Your Honor. Namamatay yung kriminal dahil lumalaban.
Okay. So, are you saying that mas safe ang Davao dahil ginagawa nyo trabaho nyo?
Yes, Your Honor.
And dahil ang utos ng mayor, kahit gaano kapangyarihan, pag lumaban, lumabang kayo pabalik.
Yes, Your Honor.
Unlike in other cities, minsan takot lumaban ng pulis dahil may abogado at pera yung kalaban nila.
Yes, Your Honor.
Now, ang sinasabi, lahat daw ng abutan nyo sa heinous crime, pinapatay. May pinapakita ka kanina, can you elaborate on that? Sabi mo meron isang pusher?
Yes, Your Honor. Ito si Mike Macmod. Galing siya ng Manila, sakay siya ng Cebu Pacific. Yung nahuli ko on that night, may search warrant ako. Siya ang nagsabi kung sinong supplier niya. Kaya, pagdating niya sa Davao, sakay siya ng Cebu Pacific, doon namin siya nahuli.
Nahuli
bypass
niya.
operation.
Lumaban ba, sir?
Hindi siya lumaban, Your Honor.
Buhay.
Buhay, Your Honor.
Kung lumaban siya,
Sigurado yun, pag endanger yung life ko, life ng mga personnel ko, ay talagang lalaban din kami.
so ibig sabihin, kaya maraming patay ngayon, and I'll say it in English for the foreign media here. The reason why there are a lot of deaths because of police operation is because a lot of the drug lords engage the police or endanger the life of the police. Correct?
Yes, Your Honor.
But in the Davao example, if they surrender peacefully, you will make sure that their rights are protected.
Yes, Your Honor.
In this case, he even wanted to kill himself.
Yes, Your Honor. In fact, this is in news clippings that I intentionally brought this news clippings for us not to bias this presentation.
So in this case, you even saved his life
yes,
by preventing him from killing
yes,
himself.
Your Honor.
Okay. Senator De Lima brought up the case against you, command responsibility, kasi hindi mo ma-solve yung mga kaso. Honestly, as a policeman, as an officer, do you think unfair na ikaw ang kasuhan dahil hindi na-solve lahat ito?
Yes, Your Honor. It is unfair.